Dang, I sure wish I could walk. That would be great. Whoa, what the? Hey, how's it going? Did you just... You know what, I have a question. How does it feel to be an animal? And what even is an animal? Well, it's pretty cool, I guess. But if you really want an answer, I'd suggest asking a mammal. A mammal? Are you kidding me? Most of the animals that even care enough to stop here try to eat me. Well, I suppose I could inform you. Really? Thanks. So, what's an animal? An animal is a multicellular organism, which is an organism with more than one cell. Hold on, I'm multicellular. They also can move. Dang it, I wish. Shush. You have the blessing to be able to photosynthesize. Us animals are not able to do that. Now, what about the animals that don't move? Like a sponge. I'm a crow, not a seagull. How would I know what goes on underneath the water? Anyways, animals are also separated into two groups, vertebrates and invertebrates. Vertebrates are animals with a backbone. They also have an internal skeleton, or endoskeleton, which are made out of bone or cartilage, and is a characteristic in every vertebrate. Vertebrates make up 1/10 of the animal population. What about invertebrates? I'm getting to that. Most animals are invertebrates. Animals with no backbone. I dare you to crawl onto that crow. What? No. Haha, you don't have a backbone. Hey. Moving on. On to the next thing. Being warm-blooded. That means regulating body temperature. A mammal could do that by panting, shivering, or sweating. Of course, you need food to do that, and for some animals, it's very difficult to find food in the winter. That's where hibernation comes in. God gave some animals the ability to be completely dormant in the winter. They eat food, pass out, and bam! If they are small, they won't wake up, even if you try to shake them. It's not like I could if I tried. That seems like a you problem, honestly. Continuing, mammal parents need to protect and provide food for their young. A female mammal has a mammary gland, which is actually the main reason they are called mammals. These glands are designed to provide milk for the mother's children. Interesting. So from what I'm getting, all mammals are either vertebrates or invertebrates. They also hibernate and regulate body temperature, right? Correct. Tell me more. Alright, another characteristic in mammals is hair. Hair is found on every mammal, even if it's hard to see. Sometimes a mammal will have 2 layers of hair. The top layer is the guard hair. It's stiff and provides structure. The bottom part is the underhair, and is usually soft and warm. A special type of hair called vibrissae, also known as whiskers, are surrounded by nerve endings. They basically help animals detect objects near them. Hey, I have another cool thing to tell you. Yeah? There's a rabbit behind you. Wait, really? Yep, and it's trying to use camouflage. Dang it, well, I wanted to listen, but I didn't want the flower to be scared I would eat it. You can listen, just don't eat the audience. Camouflage makes it so mammals can blend into their environment better. It makes it so rabbits can hide from predators and predators can stalk their prey. Hey, speaking of predators, they can kill and eat with teeth. Animals like rabbits also need them to eat their food as well. And scissors are at the front of the mouth and used for cutting or biting. Canines are long and pointed and are used for tearing. They are also at the front of the mouth. Finally, molars are flat teeth used for chewing. Do I have canines? No, you are an herbivore. What does that mean? It means you eat plants like me, moron. Be nice. But yeah, it does mean that. An herbivore only eats plants. There's also carnivores, which only eat meat, and omnivores that can eat both meat and plants. Nice. Hey rabbit, you know how you have lungs, right? Yeah. Well, did you know that your lungs are larger in relation to your body size than those of a cold-blooded animal? Did you also know that mammals are the only animals to have a diaphragm? No, I didn't. Well, now you do. Wow, that was a lot. Well then, that's the end of my lesson. I need to go find some food now. See ya. speaking about food,